Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of cubic equation, r power 3 equation or degree 3 equation. Mean a third degree equation is a polynomial equation that has an exponent of 3. Mean we can say that when a variable having maximum power of 3, it is also known as a cubic equation. It has the general form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Mean when a variable having maximum power 3 in the equation, we can say that it is a cubic equation where a, b, c and d are constants. Here we can say that a, b, c and d are constants. X square, x cube are example of variables and x is variable. The degree of the equation is the highest power of the variable x in the equation. In a third degree equation is, we can say that third degree equation or cubic equation, x has an exponent of 3 making it is the highest power. Solving a third degree equation can be done by factoring using the synthetic division method. When we solve cubic equation, we use synthetic division rule. We using the synthetic division method or by using the cubic formula. The cubic formula is a complex formula that can be used to find all three roots of the equation. Cubic equations are important in many fields including physics, engineering and economics, where they are used to model and solve a real world problem. Mean cubic equation we use in physics, engineering and economics mostly.